Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and today we're talking about, can social services take away my child without evidence? A common concern is whether Child Protective Services or CPS can remove your child from your home without substantial evidence. In Texas, the law is going to set strict guidelines, and the purpose is to ensure that children are protected while parents' rights are also respected. CPS cannot simply take your child away. They can't do it based on hearsay or unsupported accusations. For a child to be removed, there must be clear evidence of abuse, neglect, or an imminent threat to their safety. So Texas law mandates that CPS must investigate any reports of child endangerment thoroughly. And they gotta substantiate claims before pursuing a drastic action such as removal of your child. If CPS determines that your child is in immediate danger, they may seek a court order asking for emergency removal. In rare cases, a child may be removed without prior court orders or approval if the danger is so urgent that waiting for legal authorization would put the child at further risk. However, CPS must quickly justify its actions to the court and prove the need for removal through evidence. Evidence in CPS cases can include medical reports, witness testimony, photographs, and documentation of unsafe living conditions. So CPS workers may also rely on interviews with the child or the parent and others involved in the child's life. However, mere allegations or opinions without concrete proof are not sufficient to justify removing a child from their home. It's essential for parents to understand their right during the CPS process. You have the right to know why CPS is investigating the specific allegations made and the evidence being used against you. If CPS becomes involved in your life, cooperate fully, but cautiously. Always document interactions with CPS and with the caseworkers, keep records of any conversations, and seek legal counsel immediately. A skilled attorney familiar with Texas family law and CPS can guide you through the investigation process. That's going to ensure that your rights are protected and that CPS follows proper procedures. Additionally, it's important to address any issues that may have prompted CPS involvement in the first place. So this could mean improving your home environment, attending parenting classes, or seeking counseling if needed. Taking proactive steps demonstrate your commitment to your child's well-being, and that can positively influence the CPS's assessment of your case. For more insights and guidance on Texas family law, subscribe to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. We're here to provide the knowledge and support you need to navigate these challenging situations. So like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.